Now we will see the advantages of the application of the IoT. First one is the smart lighting. IoT devices can control the light on the basis of daylight. If we situated sensor into our lights or sensor into our tubes and the bulb, so ultimately if there is a day, it will be produce a very low frequency of the light. In this way we can save the light, or we can save the light frequency of that particular. So smart lighting means IoT devices can control the light on the basis of the daylight. If the day is there and if the sunlight is come into our home, ultimately the frequency of our devices will get reduced. If there is a no need, then it will generate a very low light. So that is nothing but the application of IoT. Next is the smart thermostat. So it means that IoT devices allow to remotely schedule, monitor and control home temperature. So whatever the by using the smart thermostat, we can use or we can utilize the remotely, we can monitor the whatever the schedule or whatever the temperature of the home, we can monitor it, we can schedule it by using the remotely. Again the next application is smart lock and the garage. Means whatever the lock we are having, we can provide by using the sensor. We are establishing the smart locks into our home or into our door system. So by using the password or by using the facial recognition, the gate and the door will get open and the close. Next one is the smart security cameras. The IoT devices, by using the IoT devices, the smart security camera can easily identify unknown and the known person, and whatever if the unknown person is enter into our system, ultimately it will be produce the alarm to in the case of the security threats. Next application is smart security signal. This technology automatically adjusts the signal timing as per the traffic and keep moving of the car. If there is a sensor in our car, so ultimately it will be give us some signal to the particular car driver or that the person who is driving the car. So these are the application of the IoT. The next part is nothing but the cloud computing.